Hello my dear friends, welcome to Recyclebintech channel. Today we are going to see HP Smart Tank 720. In this the Wi-Fi which is not connecting means you can see near to Wi-Fi that three boxes, which means it's Wi-Fi direct. That option is not enabling the, so we couldn't get the password or some detail about this printer. If you press that near to Wi-Fi button, you will get the details, but we are not at present, we are not getting the details. This button, three buttons, is for copy for color and black. And now we can see this like 00, it's showing. While we press the Wi-Fi button, just Wi-Fi is blinking. That Wi-Fi direct option, access option, is not enabling, so that we are going to reset to factory reset this one or secure erase. And three option we are going to see: network resetting and some detail about these printers, and factory reset and secure erase. So let us see how we are going to do this option, all these three options, and some detail uh, about this printer. Just I'm pressing here, but if you press this near to the Wi-Fi button, it will print how to some of the details. You will not get more details, only some little details you will get, but we need full details. You can see we get only this much, but that one no use. We have to get full information. So for full information, let us see how we can reset this printer. Now we have to connect the printer with computer and install the software. For you can, in the search bar you can type direct control panel. If it's not in the system, if in the desktop it's available, you can directly open from there. Now at present I'm opening from here. We can see, yeah, from in this some of the computer it will be like this, so you will be searching the option where is it is. You can see it's in the top. After this we can see here device and printers. If you click there, it will go to all the printers which is installed. Some of the computer it will be like this. We can click over here and we can find the printer here, HP Smart Tank. So I make a little faster. At present we, in this we are not going to do any more settings. We can see all those settings here, and here also just I want to show these details, so that in this place we are not going to do anything, this tools and advanced settings. And now we are see this in preference, and this is the HP Smart. This is the main section. What we are going to do means some settings we are going to change here, and let us see what are the things we are going to do here. And we can see this option like shortcut, printables and printer document, mobile fax, help and support. And you can see here setting symbol, and if you click the settings, all those details will be there. And if you want to diagnose that, you can start. At present we are not going to do this one. Now select the printer setting. In this you can see the network information, and the problem you can see status not supported, Ethernet not supported, but Bluetooth it's on, USB is connected. Now we are going to reset all this. For that we have to click advanced settings. While you click the advanced setting, you have to wait. Sometime the screen will be white for little time, so that you don't think that if it's not working, just close it and switch off the printer and restart it again. It will connect 100%, it will connect. Now you can see this scan and copy. It's a web service, and here we can see network. In this network you can network identification, whatever you want to do we can change, you can give here wireless band frequency and Bluetooth. In this frequency you can find 2.4, 5 GHz, 2.4 and 5 GHz. Better to give the third option, so that your Wi-Fi it will be connected. Both Wi-Fi you can access. And here is advanced settings. In this we are not going to do anything over here. Thus we can see all those settings. And now we will go to next the tools. In this tools printer updates, utilities, reports, etc. Everything is there. And settings. In the settings you can see all those things here, means power management, supply, AirPrint. You can see from here network reset. First of all, we will give network, restore the network settings as it is like a default. We have to wait till the procedure to be completed. In between, don't shut down the system, keep it same like that, or shut down the printer. After completing, just we are going to give like factory default. In this, while you give the factory default, you have to wait patiently, because the system will switch off. So not system, your printer will switch off and restart it again. If it's not restarting, just switch it on. And now the restore setting also it's finished. Now secure erase. We have to secure erase, means all those details, be personal information what you are given, everything will be gone. So this is how to reset the printer to factory default. If you like the video, please subscribe and support. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.